I have always wanted to try an accessible safari tent. Well, I'm here at Swansea Lakeside Holiday Park, and apart from the accessible safari tent, there is also a cabin and an accessible swimming pool and a sensory room. So let's have a look. There is a companion tent on the right hand side. You can see it's very easy to get to the deck leading into the safari tent. On the left hand side there is a sofa bed, really good circulation space, TV, and then panning around to the kitchen, there's some excellent features here in the kitchen. You can see that the kitchen bench is quite a bit lower than your traditional kitchen bench. You can glide under to do the dishes. The glassware is lowered, microwave is lowered, and something you don't often see, and it's a terrific feature, is that there is a switch here. If you have a powered wheelchair and you need to charge it, you'll be able to just move the chairs out and place it there. Again, another feature I absolutely love, there is a mobile hoist provided that can be for use in the cabin or the safari tent. You can see that there's plenty of room under the bed for the hoist. So next to the single bed with the hoist, there is also another bed for other family members. There is also a charging device, really convenient. Moving into the accessible bathroom, there is a flip-top bin, glide under bathroom vanity. You can see the mirror is nice and lowered. An accessible height toilet, but also a freestanding, height adjustable over toilet chair. So if you prefer to be a little bit higher, there is a shower bench, and you can see that the shower rose is lowered. And what I loved is that that was already done when we arrived. Looking down, you can see just how much drainage there is. And this is really fantastic for people who live with disabilities because it takes a little bit longer to shower. Now, I'd love to show you the fantastic amenities at this holiday park. Let's go and have a look. I am so looking forward to showing you this. This is a beautiful sensory pod. It's called the Peace Pod, and it's located very, very close to the accessible safari tent. A beautiful sensory room where mum, dad, and the kids can go and enjoy themselves in a very quiet and peaceful environment. Let's go and have a look. Each guest will be able to book a time, so you don't have to worry about other people coming in. The walls are soundproofed, some sensory toys, air conditioning, dimmable lighting, and a place to draw and read books while mum and dad can relax. I have been wanting to see this for such a long time. It is possibly the best accessible swimming pool example I can think of, because it's got a beautiful, gentle, ramped decline with rails into the water. The pool wheelchair, there's actually a couple of pool wheelchairs, so you can get into the water very comfortably and seamlessly. It is just so beautiful. And as you can see, those are the accessible cabins. So very, very close by as well. How inclusive is this? Directly next to the accessible swimming pool is a splash park. Take your pool wheelchair and enjoy a splash park. How cool is this?
Ready to back up to that tip? Ready, Matt, to a tip. Here it goes.
Another wonderful accessible feature next to the playgrounds and the accessible pool, designed by Dr. Bliss Kavanagh, is a beautiful and very unusual sensory room, a second one. Let's have a look. Inside a vintage Airstream caravan, Dr. Kavanagh has designed what I'm speechless just how incredible this is. This sensory room has beautiful restful bean bags to sit on, peaceful music, and just some beautiful lighting as well. I think I want to stay here all day.